If you're experiencing a verification pending status with Glacier Bank, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure you have checked your email for any messages from Glacier Bank. They may have sent you a verification link or additional instructions that need to be completed. Step 2. Verify your information. Log into your Glacier Bank account and review your personal information. Make sure that all details, such as your name, address, and phone number, are accurate and up to date. Step 3. Resent verification. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Glacier Bank's customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain the situation so they can assist you in resolving the verification pending status. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email and account status. If you do not receive a response within a few days, follow up to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status efficiently. If problems continue, consider visiting a local branch for in-person assistance.